Are you ready to save some serious cash at Costco? These are 10 new things you should be buying at Costco this January 2025. We're talking about innovative products, incredible values, and maybe even a few surprises along the way. There's a huge selection of brand new deals that you're going to love. So buckle up, grab your shopping list, and let's dive right into the treasure trove of savings at Costco. All right, first up, we have a game changer for anyone who loves to kick back and relax on the couch. Imagine this. You're settled in for a cozy evening, your favorite show is on, and you have a drink in one hand and snacks in the other. But where do you put them down without making a mess? This, my friends, is a sofa arm tray. And let me tell you, it's a steal for only 19 bucks. Yes, you heard that right. Just $19 for a product that will revolutionize your lounging experience. This isn't some flimsy piece of plastic either. You might be thinking, how can something so affordable be any good? Well, let me assure you, this tray is built to last. This bad boy is made from sturdy, high-quality AAA wood. The craftsmanship is impeccable, and the wood finish gives it a classy, elegant look that will complement any living room decor. It easily attaches to any couch or chair arm, giving you the perfect spot to set down your drink, snacks, or even your laptop. Whether you're working from home or just enjoying a lazy Sunday, this tray has got you covered. And hold on, because it gets even better. You might be wondering, what else could this tray possibly offer? This tray also has a built-in smartphone holder. That's right, no more awkwardly balancing your phone on the arm of the couch or propping it up against a pillow. No more propping your phone up against a pillow and hoping for the best. We've all been there, and it's not fun when your phone keeps slipping and sliding. Plus, with its non-slip base, you can rest assured that your drinks won't end up taking a tumble. The non-slip feature is a game changer, especially if you have kids or pets running around. Trust me, this sofa arm tray is a total game changer for under 20 bucks. It's practical, stylish, and incredibly affordable. So why wait? Upgrade your lounging experience today and enjoy the ultimate convenience right at your fingertips. Let's face it, winter can be brutal on our floors. The constant in and out, the wet boots, and the muddy shoes can turn your pristine floors into a mess in no time. Between the snow, slush, and salt, it feels like a never-ending battle to keep things clean. Every time you think you've got it under control, another wave of winter weather hits. It feels like a never-ending battle to keep things clean. Mopping and sweeping become daily chores, and even then, the floors never seem to stay clean for long. But fear not, my friends, because Costco has come to the rescue with this incredible microfiber mat. This isn't just any mat, it's designed to tackle the toughest dirt and grime. For the ridiculously low price of $9.99, you get a massive mat that measures a whopping 30 by 40 inches. That's a lot of coverage for such a small price. That's big enough to handle even the dirtiest of shoes. Whether it's mud, snow, or slush, this mat can take it all. This mat is perfect for your front entryway, garage, or even your mudroom. No more worrying about tracking dirt through the house. It's super absorbent, so it will trap all that dirt and moisture before it has a chance to track through your house. Imagine not having to mop every day. And the best part? It's machine washable, so you can keep it looking fresh and new all season long. Just toss it in the washing machine, and it's good as new. Plus, the durable microfiber material means it will last you through many seasons. It's a small investment for a cleaner, more comfortable home. Okay, folks, this next deal is so good, you might think it's a mistake. But let me tell you, it's not. It's the real deal, and it's happening right now at Costco. But I assure you, it's the real deal. You won't believe your eyes when you see the price. Costco is practically giving away these non-slip hangers for a price that's almost impossible to beat. Imagine walking into the store and finding a deal that makes you do a double take. We're talking about a 50-pack of these amazing hangers for just $7.99. Yes, you heard that right, a 50-pack for under $8. You heard that right, 50 hangers for less than $8. It's almost like they're paying you to take them home. Now, I know what you're thinking. Matt, are these hangers any good? Are they worth the hype? And the answer is a resounding yes. These hangers are not just good, they're fantastic. We use these exact hangers in our house, and they are fantastic. They keep our closets organized and our clothes in perfect condition. They're sturdy, they're velvet-coated to prevent your clothes from slipping off, and they come in a sleek design that looks great in any closet. And they're thin enough to maximize space in your closet. Imagine having more room for your clothes without having to buy a bigger closet. Trust me, this is a deal you don't want to miss. Head over to Costco and grab your pack before they're all gone. You won't regret it. Calling all foodies and entertainers, Costco has a brand new bamboo serving board that is an absolute must-have for your next gathering. And the best part? It's only $20. This isn't your average run-of-the-mill serving board, folks. This beauty is made from high-quality bamboo, which is not only durable but also naturally antimicrobial. But here's the real kicker. This serving board comes with a locking lid. That's right, you can prep your food on the board, slap on the lid, and easily transport it to your party or potluck without making a mess. And when you're done, just pop the lid back on and store it in the fridge. It's that easy. New year, new you, right? If you're like me, you're probably trying to drink more water this year. And what better way to stay hydrated than with this amazing bottle cleaning and drying set from OXO? This set is perfect for anyone who uses reusable water bottles, tumblers, or even baby bottles. It comes with everything you need to keep your bottles sparkling clean and dry, including a bottle brush, a detail cleaning brush, and a drying rack. And the best part? It's only $18. That's a small price to pay for the peace of mind that comes with knowing your bottles are clean and hygienic. Are you tired of struggling to make perfect eggs in the morning? Say goodbye to unevenly cooked yolks and overcooked whites, because the ultimate deluxe egg cooker is here to save the day. This bad boy can cook up to 12 eggs at once, making it perfect for families or anyone who loves a hearty breakfast. But wait, there's more. This egg cooker also comes with an attachment that lets you make those delicious egg bites that everyone's been raving about. You know, the ones that are usually crazy expensive at coffee shops? Well, now you can make them at home for a fraction of the cost. And the best part? This egg-cellent appliance is only $20. Looking for a way to take your cooking to the next level? Look no further than this incredible Nordic ware oven crisping set. This set is a game changer for anyone who loves crispy, crunchy food. Whether you're cooking up some chicken wings, roasting vegetables, or even baking cookies, this set will help you achieve that perfect golden brown finish every time. Made in the USA from high-quality materials, this set is built to last. It's also broiler and grill safe, so you can use it for all your cooking needs. And the best part? It's only $18. Tired of your fruits and veggies going bad too quickly? This 3-piece produce keeper set is here to solve all your produce woes. This set includes 3 differently sized containers that are specially designed to keep your produce fresher, longer. Each container features a built-in drip catch tray to prevent your produce from sitting in water, as well as adjustable airflow vents to regulate humidity. And because they're made from BPA-free plastic, you can feel good about using them for your family. At just $25 for the set, this is a small investment that will pay off big time in the form of less food waste and more money saved. Looking for a way to add some curb appeal to your home without breaking the bank? This LED outdoor wall light is the perfect solution. This sleek and modern light fixture is new to Costco and is sure to impress with its stylish black and copper finish. But it's not just about looks, folks. This light is also incredibly bright, boasting 1,200 lumens of light output. That's enough to illuminate your front porch, back patio, or any other outdoor space. And the best part? It's only $25. That's a steal for a light fixture this stylish and functional. Last but not least, we have an incredible deal on a floodlight that's perfect for anyone who wants to increase their home security or simply add some extra light to their property. This floodlight from LIKE is packed with features, including 2,500 lumens of brightness, a built-in motion sensor, and an adjustable design that lets you direct the light exactly where you need it. But here's the real kicker. This floodlight also includes a solar panel, so you can say goodbye to expensive energy bills. That's right. This light charges during the day and automatically turns on at night, providing you with free, eco-friendly lighting. And the best part? It's only $28. So there you have it, folks. 10 must-have Costco finds for January 2025 that will save you money and make your life easier. From practical household items to innovative gadgets, Costco has something for everyone this month. By the way, if you are enjoying this video, feel free to give it a thumbs up as that really helps my channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on my latest Costco finds and amazing deals. Thanks so much for watching. I love you. Bye-bye.